In this video, let's talk about how we can use the chat system to edit images. What's so amazing about the chat transcript is that because it has this continuous context, we can refer very specifically to the images we want to edit. I can simply say, replace the deer with a tortoise. And simply using my speech, in my natural language, it'll execute exactly what I need it to do, knowing exactly what image I'm referring to. And once that's done, much like all the other images we generated, it'll be visible both here and in our Virtual Studio library once again. Now let's say we want to refer back to a previous image. All we have to do is scroll back to the image we want to refer to and click this little paperclip button. This sets the current attachment of our latest message to refer specifically to that image. Now I can say, please expand this image on the right and left edges. This is another really cool feature the vu.ai assistant can do. Uncrop or expand images on any specified edge. And there we have it, our ultra-wide version of the original image, where all the content is the same, except it generated it on either edge. Now those are just a few of the things the assistant can do. If you go back to the new chat panel, you'll notice a bunch of other things. It can restyle images, remove background from images, and even upscale them to get higher resolutions, simply by asking for exactly what you want. Thanks for watching. For more tutorial videos on Virtual Studio and SceneForge, visit our YouTube channel. For access to our knowledge base and our technical support, visit our support site at vu.network/support. To contact support directly, email support@vustudio.com or call us at 888-575-1510. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.